Permanent hold on a Honeywell thermostat keeps your home at one fixed temperature and ignores your program's schedule until you manually turn it off. Unlike temporary hold, it won't expire on its own. To cancel permanent hold, look for a button labeled Run, Cancel, Use Schedule, or sometimes Run Schedule. Pressing that immediately returns the thermostat to its programmed settings. On some models, you can press the Hold button again and select Cancel Hold. If your thermostat uses a menu system, press Menu, navigate to Hold, and choose Cancel. Since layouts vary across Honeywell models, checking your specific manual is always the safest approach. If your thermostat seems frozen or unresponsive, start with the basics. Replace the batteries if it's battery-powered. Low batteries are the most common cause of issues. For hardwired models, check your circuit breaker to ensure power hasn't been cut. If you see a wait message, that's normal. It protects your HVAC compressor by delaying restart for a few minutes. Also check placement. Thermostats near sunlight, vents, or drafts can misread room temperature and behave unpredictably. Dust buildup can interfere with sensors, so gentle cleaning helps maintain accuracy. If the screen appears locked, you may need to disable keypad lockout using the model's unlock sequence. Using scheduled programming instead of permanent hold can lower energy bills by automatically adjusting temperatures when you're away or asleep. Smart Honeywell models also offer Wi-Fi control and automation features for added efficiency. If problems persist after basic troubleshooting, contact Honeywell support or a licensed HVAC technician.